Okay, thought I'd make a little video this morning. I'm going to try to keep this really quick, but this is called the heart equation on your Ti-Nspire CAS CX. It's kind of cool. I thought if nothing else, we might as well have a little bit of fun. So let's have a little bit of fun with this maybe. So with no further ado, this is at the end, this is what you should be able to do. At the end, you should be able to make this heart. And it's actually really easy. I just want to show you some stuff that I did here. One, make sure that your OS is updated. You should probably check like once a month. The updates are free, and it does stuff like help your battery life and whatever little tricks they've come up with. So, oh, and they clean up stuff. So I think you should really look into that. Anyway, so here's the function. Here's the equation that we're going to graph here, and we're going to use the zeros function. And this will give you a second so you can get some time to copy that down. So here's the function, and it's really important that you put all of these parentheses in where they belong. So it's zeros, open parentheses, open another set of parentheses, x squared plus y squared minus 1 quantity cubed minus x squared times y cubed in terms of y. And you should get that. The next thing I did is I went and I changed my Windows settings. So look, I'm going to go back so you can see exactly what I did. So this is what it's going to look like on your calculator. What I did was this. I went to menu and I went to Windows and I went to settings. Yeah? And I changed these. These are not exactly the way I set them, but approximately the way I set them. About -2 to 2, about -2 to 2 again. It did some adjusting on its own, some auto adjusting, but I just wanted to make sure you see that, because otherwise if you put it in a little bit weird, it can come out looking real wide. So there it is. I think we're almost done with this. I just wanted to be clear. I'm going to go back to it on the screen so you can see a little bit better. And then all I did here was I just went inside. I just went inside of here and I typed in text, right? So I just made a space for text. And I just typed in whatever I wanted. Typed in C. Lindelof. Somebody's going to figure out how to color this thing in, because there is a way to autofill it. I just haven't figured it out, and I haven't spent enough time on it. So I put in there C. Lindelof. And I put this, and I just pick this thing up, and I just drag it wherever I want. C. Lindelof, I love calculus. And I do. So I hope this is cool for you. It's just one more of those stupid things that's fun for your calculator to do. The next one I'm going to do is I'm going to animate this thing. I'm going to make it 3D, so I'm going to make a 3D heart. I'm just not sure what it's going to look like. I'm not sure how I'm going to get it to be. Do you know what I mean? To not look too much like an apple. But I'm going to work on it, and then I'm going to animate it. I'm going to get it to move. I'm going to put a slider in on it. So tell me what you think. Any heads up you can give me, I really appreciate. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. And remember that I really appreciate your comments. So, you could do this like for your girlfriend or boyfriend, depending on who you are. Or your teacher might think it's so sweet if you put I love calculus in his or her calculator for them. So give me some feedback. Tell me how that goes, and talk to you soon.